Guess where I'm at? I'm at the BP in Mundelein, known as Ivanhoe, even though the towns connect. Tranny, Paul, Cloonan, Terry, Beetlejuice, Pritzker, Bradley Rubin, Scary Tammy, Remy Lebos. Time for your afternoon bath. Hold on, I gotta enter this code here.
When the wash is ready, please move forward into the wash.
See all this soap? This wash is for you, Tranny, Paul, Cloonan, Terry, Beetlejuice, Bradley Rubin, Pritzker. Ha 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 ha. This car goes. Ha 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 ha. All right, you ready, fag bags? Did that hurt? All right, Tranny, drop your fucking wigs in the bay. And Paul, lose the fucking food. It doesn't belong in you, you fat fuck. Scrub that tranny fag bag and that cunt hole too. Ha 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 ha. All right, come on. Let's scrub. Keep on scrubbing. Oh, I got a song for you, tranny. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a tranny. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a baby. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a tranny. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a coat hole. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a tranny. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a coat hole. Da-da, da-da, dude looks like a whack job. How about this one? Da-da, da-da, Paul is a fat fuck. Da-da, da-da, Paul is a fat fuck. Ha! And how about this one? If there's something strange in the neighborhood, who are you gonna call? Tranny Busters. If there's something weird in the neighborhood, who are you gonna call? Fat Fuck Busters. I ain't afraid of no tranny. I ain't afraid of no fat fuck. You see this Rain-X that's coming on here? It's gonna, if it was hot, it's gonna, you're gonna wind up with burn marks all over your fat fucking ass. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. And here comes more soap. Yeah, scrub Terry's fat pig ass. And I got one. Terry the big fat pig rolls around in her pig pen. And if you ever saw her, even the pigs will join her. Come on, keep scrubbing. Keep scrubbing that cunt hole. And now we're rinsing all the fucking food off of you, because when you eat fat fuck Paul or big fat fuck K, you leave food all over your fucking stomach and your body. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. See that air dryer? It's gonna blow your fucking food away, you fat fuck. And your wig away too, you tranny bag.